Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. So this car's done just over 20,000 miles. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get speed limiter, air conditioning. The car comes with 1 year's warranty and is free to tax. So let's have a look around. We took this car back in part exchange as it was originally sold by us, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.